if you want to learn machine learning and don't want to spend a single dollar, then here are 13 YouTube channels that will teach you more than paid ones. Hello, my name is Keshav and I welcome you to this video in which I will share all the resources, and the resources as I am sharing here will be shown on description in the same manner. So first watch this, then you can check out any of these 13 YouTube videos, whichever you find interesting. So the first one is this Stanford University CS 229 machine learning course, and you already know this legend is Andrew Ng. In the name of machine learning, he has made such a reputable position, and I would suggest you to watch these videos, and you can see the other one is this Making Friends with Machine Learning. So these are 126 videos. So the lot much of resources are absolutely free on YouTube. So you should try to invest your time on this, and you can see here so many videos are there, and they are teaching step-by-step things in this particular playlist made by Cassie, and she had explained a very beautiful way that what is data science, what are the performance loss matrices, data engineering, and lot more support factors. And you can check out the whole playlist. Link will be shared in description. So take your time and understand all these things, and this will be absolutely free for you. Then the third one is Neural Network Zero to Hero. So this particular guy is famous for his courses on Free Code Camp also. So you can see how so many videos he has shared. And the another one is this is MIT Deep Learning for Art, Aesthetic and Creativity. So the materials and slides are over here. You can check out each and every of them, and the instructor and all the videos done by them are shared over here. If I do a if I show this, this is particular playlist of all the instructors. So MIT videos are over here, and in total there are 22 videos, and you can see more than 1 hour content is shown over here. And most of the important thing you should be learning these. If you go for machine learning, then diffusion, probabilistic, then Socratic debate, you can check them out if you want. Then the other one is again a Stanford University CS 230 course of deep learning. So if you're wondering what is deep learning, and if you want to know, because it's not about 2018, it's about understanding deep learning, and the changes are not that much that you can't even use these resources. You can definitely use the Andrew Ng resources and get benefited. Then the other course is this one, Cornell Tech OS of Applied Machine Learning. So this is also a famous course. You can check the playlist out, and you can check the materials in the GitHub. GitHub link is also shared in the playlist, so you can read out if the resources are beneficial for you. Head on to the videos, and definitely you will learn something new in this field of applied machine learning. So Cornell is a tech enthusiast, so he is teaching machine learning since long, and he has made this finest playlist which I am sharing in this video. So you can check the applied machine learning concepts and the parts he has shown. And the other thing is the practical deep learning for coders. So let's wait for it first of all to get loaded. So yes, this is the practical deep learning for coders, and this playlist is also by a Harvard engineer, and the lessons are, you can see the lessons are 1.5 hours long, and you can read the playlist description also that there are 9 lessons, and this is for 2022. This is the most recent one, so you can check this out also. Then talking about next one, this is another the part 2 one, the part 2 version of the previous one which I have shown in the practical deep learning for coders. So this is the part 2 of practical deep learning for coders. Talking about the this one, this is machine learning with graphs, and these lectures are also important. Basically, he is Stephen Hamilton, and he taught in a decent way of machine learning in the intuitions of graph. Talking about the fourth one, this is the probabilistic machine learning by Phillips Henning 2021, and this is another advanced course for machine learning. And if you are much into probability, and if you want to understand the probabilistic way of machine learning, then this is the course. Then talking about the 10th course, or the 11th course of deep unsupervised learning, and this is by Barclay Spring 2020. So you can watch these playlists out, and this will also cover the auto generation, semi supervised learning, and compression language model, the representation learning for reinforcement learning, and lot more. So you can check them out also. And talking about the 12th one, this is the foundation model. So if you want to build some foundation on the models of machine learning, you can check this playlist out, and there are also much content related to this. And the last one, if we talk about, is the Stanford University CS25 Transformer United. So this is again a course on same the booming thing, chat GPT, and you can see GPT-3 and Stanford seminar on self-attention and non-practical transformer NPTs. Then research, audio research, how to represent whole part hierarchies and neural networks, and a lot more to cover. Links are in description. See ya and bye.